At Hamish's now. So this is going to be the HOELUX's home for the next few days while we get it back on the road to, oh there's a car right there. On the road to getting it road legal again. They keep coming. I brought all my suspension parts with me. Seat cover to hide the gash, OG U-bolts, OG rear bump stops, and OG front bump stops. This will all hopefully be in tonight. Oh, and I found some random bolts that kind of look like they're from my ute, so I'll find out where they belong. And 10 mil. Gotta have the 10 mil. It was in my room for some reason, just asking to be lost.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, bro. You never asked. Yeah. Oh, cider. It's Friday too. So I've got Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Pretty much 3 days to get it into a shop and inspected. Alright, first things first. I'm gonna put the OG U-bolts and blocks back in. Actually, no, I'll put the bump stops back in first, so then they're out of the way. I don't even know where these go, I forgot. Just look for where all the damage is. Camera can't even see me. Oh, had a little mate hiding in there. That's why I got a defect. I'm just waiting for it to go and go easy again. Quick pro tip, undo your wheel nuts before you undo your axle. They fail that. It's been hitting on the side of my car. So this is the difference between a U-bolt for a 4-inch block and the original ones. Quite a big difference. So I've already hit a bump. The bolts that go onto this don't fit onto my OG ones. I left them at home, and home is half an hour that way. So that's the job for tomorrow. Next thing is front bump stops. They go on there. Make sure I'm doing them up. And then after this, one up the torsion bars. Just past 8 o'clock. Wound the torsion bars. Now I'm just gonna put the seat covers on and off home because I'm riding my bike and it's cold and windy. It's gonna be a cold ride home. But I just gotta put these on to hide the gash and I should be done for tonight. And then tomorrow's crate day and we got to film with Racewars Radio. Alright, so I'll just chuck these on and then we'll head home. Back here tomorrow to carry on, have some drinks. Should be here in the Arvo. See you tomorrow, babe. Alright, bruh.
Yeah.
I will not head into your letterbox. And I will see you tomorrow.
See you later.